Hello, and welcome to Tutorial Time with He-Man. Today, we will be going over how to batch transfer ETH in one transaction to multiple wallets. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to send a large amount of ETH to multiple wallets in one transaction. This way, it saves you a lot of gas. First step is you have to go to the menu, batch transfer ETH, which will bring up this page here. Then you're going to whichever wallets you want to send the ETH to. You enter that amount. Okay, so the wallet that the ETH will be coming out is the one you have selected in your MetaMask wallet. So make sure you have that amount in MetaMask in that specific wallet. If you don't, you can swap to a different wallet. After that is done and you have entered the amount, all you have to do is press Transfer ETH right here. And what it does is it interacts with a contract we have that allows you to send all of the ETH to these wallets in one transaction, thus saving you a lot of money on gas. After the transfer has completed, it typically takes a few minutes for the amount to be reflected here, showing that you have that in your wallet. But you can always just click on this link here, which will pop up the Etherscan to show you on the blockchain how much ETH you have. So even if it doesn't show here that you have ETH, on the blockchain it will show the amount that is in the wallet. As long as there is the ETH in your wallet, then you're set, you're good to go, and you can continue minting. That's it.